Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is on cubic polynomial. First of all, cubic polynomial is represented by ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where the coefficient of x cube a is never equal to 0. Sum of zeros alpha, beta and gamma is given by minus b by a. Sum of products, that is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, is given by C by A, and product of zeros alpha beta gamma is given by minus D by A. Now first question is, if the product of zeros of the polynomial is 4, then find the value of A. First of all, compare this polynomial with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. We get the value of AB small a, the value of capital B is minus 6, capital C value 11, and the value of D is minus 6. If the product of zeros is 4, product of zeros is 4, right? Product of zeros for is apply is equal to 4. The formula for product of zeros is minus D by A. Substitute the value of D, that is minus 6, and value of A, that is small a. Cross multiply minus and minus plus 6. So the value of A is 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. This is the answer. Now second question is, if one of the zeros of cubic polynomial is minus 1, find the product of other two zeros. One of the zero is minus 1. Let 1 0 alpha be minus 1. Find the product of other two zeros. We need to find beta into gamma. Then compare it with ax cube plus bx square cx plus d. You get the value of capital A is, the coefficient of x cube is 1. The value of b is a. The value of c is small b, and the value of d is small c. Now apply the formula. Product of zeros is equal to minus D by A. Product of zeros, that is alpha, beta, gamma, is equal to minus D by A. Now substitute the value of alpha, that is minus 1. The value of D is C, and the value of A is 1. Now cancel minus and minus. The value of beta gamma is C. This is the required answer. We need to find the value of beta gamma. The value of beta gamma is C. Now third question is, if product of two zeros of polynomial is 3, then find its third zero. First of all, compare this polynomial with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. We get the value of a is 1, the value of b minus 6, c value 11, and d value minus 6. Product of two zeros is 3. Product of two zeros, let the product of two zeros for is apply is equal to 3. Find its third zero. We need to find gamma. Apply product of zeros is equal to minus D by A. Alpha, beta, gamma is equal to, for D substitute the value, for A substitute the value. Now substitute the value for alpha, beta, that is 3. Minus minus converts to plus. So the value of gamma is 6 by 3, that is 2. This is the required third zero. Now fourth question is, If the sum of zeros of the polynomial is 6, find the value of a. Compare it with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. You will get the value of a, b 2, the value of b minus 3a, the value of c is 4 and d value minus 5. We are given sum of zeros is, sum of zeros for is apply is equal to 6. Sum of zeros is given by minus b by a. Now substitute the value of b, that is minus 3a, the value of a, that is 2. Minus and minus converted to plus, cross multiply 6 into 2. Now the value of a is, bring 3 in the denominator, 3 twice 6, 2 into 2 is 4. So the value of a is 4. This is the required answer. Now fifth question is, two zeros of cubic polynomial are minus 1 and minus 2. Find the third zero and value of a and b. Two zeros are given by minus and minus 2. So let one zero, that is alpha be minus 1 and beta be minus 2. Find third zero. We need to find gamma, a and b. Compare this equation with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. The value of capital A is given by small a. The value of capital B is given by 3. The value of C is given by minus b and value of D is given by minus 6. Apply alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. The value of alpha minus 1, the value of beta minus 2, the value of gamma, the value of b minus 3, and the substitute for a small e. Minus 1 minus 2, that will be minus 3. So the value of gamma will be minus 3. When goes on RHS, it will be plus 3. The value of gamma will be 3 minus 3 by a. Now apply product of zeros, alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a. Substitute the value of alpha, that is minus 1, the value of beta minus 2, and the value of gamma from here, 3 minus 3 by a. And the value of d minus 6, value of capital A, that is small a. Multiply minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2. 3 minus 3 by a is equal to minus minus plus 6 by a. Now multiply them. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6 by a. Collect terms containing a on one side. 6 by a plus 6 by a. That is 12 by a. Cross multiply. The value of a is 12 by 6, that is 2. Now substitute the value of a in this. 3 minus 3 by a. 3 minus 3 by 2. Take LCM. That is 3 by 2. So the third zero gamma is 3 by 2. Now apply the third formula. Sum of product of zeros, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. Now substitute the value of alpha, that is minus 1, the value of beta minus 2. Value of beta minus 2, value of gamma 3 by 2, value of gamma 3 by 2, and value of alpha minus 1. For capital C, the value is minus b, and for capital A, the value is small a. Minus 1 into minus 2, it is 2. Cancel minus 3 and minus 3 by 2. Minus b by the value of a is 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Take LCM. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 2. Cancel 2 and 2. Cancel minus and minus. So the value of b is 5. We need to find a, that is 2, b 5, and gamma is 3 by 2. This is the required answer. Now next question is, if alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of this polynomial and 2 beta is equal to alpha plus gamma, find C. First of all, compare this equation with ax cube bx square cx plus d. The value of a is the coefficient of x cube, that is 1. The value of b is minus 12. The value of c is 44 and the value of d is small c. Now apply the formula sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus b by a. Sum of product alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, that is c by a, and product of zeros alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Now you are given alpha plus gamma. Alpha plus gamma. For alpha plus gamma, substitute the value 2 beta plus beta, and the value of b is minus 12 and the value of a is 1. 2 beta plus beta is 3 beta, minus and minus, that is plus, so the value of beta is 12 by 3, that is 4. Substitute this value beta here, alpha into 4 into gamma. So the value of d is c and the value of a is 1. So the value of alpha gamma is minus c by 4. Now substitute the value of, take beta common, you will get alpha plus gamma, and for alpha gamma substitute value minus c by 4. The value of c is 44 and the value of a is 1. Substitute value of beta, that is 4, and value of alpha gamma, alpha plus gamma, that is 2 beta, minus c by 4, that is 44. Now 8 beta, substitute the value of beta, that is 4. 32 minus c by 4 is equal to 44. Minus c by 4, bring 32 on RHS, 44 minus 32 will be 8, cross multiply, now bring minus here. So the value of c is minus 32. Now seventh question is, if alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of cubic polynomial and alpha plus beta is 0, show that 2q is equal to r. First of all, compare, you get the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 2 and the value of c, q and value of d minus r. Apply the formulas alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, c by a, and alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta, that is 0, and value of b, that is minus 2, and the value of a1. You get the value of gamma is minus and minus, that is plus. The value of gamma is 2. Here the value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. First of all, take gamma common. You get beta plus alpha. Now substitute the value of c, that is q, the value of a, that is 1. Alpha beta, the value of alpha plus beta is 0. 0 into gamma will be 0. So the value of alpha beta is q. Now substitute these values in this part. Alpha beta is q and the value of gamma is 2. The value of cap minus d, that is minus r a1. Q into 2, 2q, minus and minus plus r. Hence proved. Now 8th question is, if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the polynomial such that alpha, beta plus 1 is 0, find the value of 2p plus q plus 5. Compare, you get the value of a, b1, that is coefficient of x cube, the value of b, p, value of c, q, and d is 2. And you are given alpha, beta plus 1 is 0. So the value of alpha beta will be minus 1. Now apply the formula of sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. The value of b will be minus p and the value of a is 1. Now apply alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. For alpha into beta, substitute value minus 1. For d, 2, and for a, 1. Cancel minus and minus. The value of gamma is 2. Substitute this value of gamma here. So alpha plus beta will be minus p and minus 2. Now apply the formula. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is c by a. For alpha into beta, write minus 1. Take gamma common. Alpha plus beta, the value of c is q and the value of a is 1. Substitute value of gamma, that is 2. Alpha plus beta, that is minus p minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2p and minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. Collect all on one side, q plus 2p plus 5. So we have the value of 2p plus q plus 5 is 0. This is the required answer. Now try this question and answer it in the comment section given below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share videos with your friends. Bye bye.